wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best children's books. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. For fans of sweeping adventures and interplanetary travel, there's nothing quite like The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. This faithfully translated edition retains all the nuances of the original French version, published in 1943. It contains subtle satire and fascinating artwork. However, it may be too outlandish for some. At number 9, illustrated by the author himself, Madeline by Ludwig bemelmans is about a 7-year-old Parisian girl who lives with other children at a boarding school. Despite being the littlest one in the class, she's spunky and brave, even when faced with adversity. It teaches about caring for others and is composed in rhyme, but the humor can be a bit dark. Coming in at number 8 on our list, Maurice Sendak's Where the Wild Things Are is a fanciful, gorgeously illustrated yarn about an imaginative young boy. There aren't any weighty lessons to be learned, so all children have to do is go along for the unforgettable ride. The artwork is clean and crisp, and it's an appropriate length for bedtime. However, it might be too scary for preschoolers. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for children's books, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, a good choice for toddlers, Goodnight Moon by Margaret Wise Brown will help you ready your child for sleep. It features gentle, evocative language that reads like a lullaby, as well as images that are engaging without being too stimulating. This one's great for new readers, and the cadence of the text is soothing, but some find it a tad boring. Moving up our list to number 6. With charming illustrations and a memorable magical plot, Strega Nona teaches little ones about the importance of following directions and consequences through Big Anthony, the well-meaning assistant who unwisely messes with the village witch's enchanted pasta pot. It's great fun to read aloud, and the muted colors create a lovely effect. It has a hilarious ending. Halfway up our list at number 5. If You Give a Mouse a Cookie by Laura Joffe-Numeroff is an especially light-hearted choice that's perfect for familiarizing children with language basics. If you're preparing your little one for preschool, this makes for a fitting educational tool. It's the first installment in a series, and the plot is easy to follow. It explores cause and effect. At number 4, no other piece of children's literature explores the concept of time as elegantly as The Giving Tree by Shel Silverstein. It follows a young boy from the beginning of his life through to old age to demonstrate the importance of selflessness and gratitude. The prose is spare and tender, and the drawings convey emotion. The message can be interpreted many ways. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, Roald Dahl writes with wit, bite and a touch of satire in the classic Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, which manages to pass on important moral lessons while delivering big laughs. It's a must-have for any elementary school classroom, as it makes for a fun teaching aid. It values honesty and kindness, and is entertaining for adults as well. It's imaginative and clever. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for children's books, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Charlotte's Web by E.B. White is the iconic tale of a benevolent spider and a sweet little pig with tons of ambition. There are also plenty of interesting farm animal personalities that will delight readers of elementary school age. It's thoughtful and moving, with well-developed characters and a modest number of illustrations. And coming in at number 1 on our list, Oh, the Places You'll Go by Dr. Seuss will show your youngster that there's no need to be afraid of whatever the future holds. This story guides the reader through the highs and lows that occur over the course of a lifetime in a way that isn't overwhelming. It features funny and idiosyncratic language and whimsical images. It's exuberant and inspiring. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for children's books, or simply click beneath this video.